Here at BRECOflex, we want you to know that we've got your back. This backing is PTFE. PTFE stands for polytetrafluoroethylene and is also known by the brand name Teflon. PTFE has a hardness of approximately 85 Short A and a very low coefficient of friction. PTFE is glue bonded with a butt joint to our polyurethane timing belts, making it suitable for bidirectional conveying. Our steel, stainless steel, and Kevlar tension members provide the stiffness and accuracy needed for efficient and long-lasting conveying. PTFE comes in a standard thickness of 0.25 millimeters. It is ideal for accumulation conveying and low friction conveying, as well as high temperature and chemical applications. It is resistant to acids, bases, and solvents. It has a temperature range of minus 328 degrees Fahrenheit to 392 degrees Fahrenheit. BRECOflex offers over 36 different backings for a multitude of conveying applications. If you need assistance determining the best backing for your application, you can download our backings catalog at www.BRECOflex.com or contact us for free engineering support at 732-460-9500. Thanks for watching.